Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, we are going to see here the assistant professor vacancies as well as the guest faculty vacancies notification from the Central University as well as the private university, guys. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwani K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code. And the complete details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first one is Punjab University. So it comes under the Department of Physical Education announced the notification. So applications are invited from prominent persons from academia with the minimum UGC qualification or other qualifications at par with that of assistant professor in the field of physical education. So who are interested to teach in the Department of Physical Education as a guest faculty, one vacancy is there for the academic session 2020-21. So 1 and 3rd semesters. Here the qualifications are mentioned: good academic record with 55% of marks at master's degree in physical education, or 50% for the SC, ST, physically or the visually handicapped from an Indian university. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the must clear the eligibility test recruitment of assistant professor, so physical education universities and colleges in the state of Punjab and the Union Territory of Chandigarh, or eligibility test for recruitment of lecturers just like the UGC NET or the CSIR NET, like that. And the candidates who or have been awarded the PhD as per the 2009 regulations, those candidates are exempted from the NET qualification. And the applications must reach in the office of the undersigned by 29 Jan 2021 by the evening 4 o'clock. And here the details are given. So name of the candidate, date of birth, education qualifications, attested photocopy of degree and UGC NET certificate, teaching experience, and the corresponding address, contact number and email ID. And the walk-in interview is scheduled on Feb 2nd 2021. Okay, so here the 1000 rupees per lecture up to maximum 25,000 rupees per month, that is given here. And the candidates must bring the original documents at the time of interview. And coming to the second private university, as I told you that it is the KK University. Okay, so you may check down, and here the contact information is also provided. Okay, the HR, the mail ID as well as the contact number is also there. So if you are having any query regarding the eligibility conditions or anything, then you may contact that number, guys. And here the departments you may check down. So dean, principals, professor, associate as well as assistant professor. The School of Agricultural Science, Applied Science, Commerce and Management, Computer Application, Education, Engineering and Technology, Humanities and Culture, Legal Studies, Library Science, and Pharmacy and Paramedical Sciences. And few administrative posts are also there that you may check down. And the qualifications and experience are all these things as per the UGC norms and the notification issued by the KKU. So I think that there may be a chances for the PG candidates and the PG with UGC NET, and definitely for the PhD candidates. So you can able to download the application from the official website, okay, and then fill up the application and then mail the necessary documents to this mail ID. So only shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. Okay, you can download the application form here itself. Okay, guys. So these are the details regarding both these two universities. Anyhow, I will provide the two universities link in the description box of this video. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys, and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.